Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign a Perplexity AI account. So if you also want to sign a Perplexity AI account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is install the Perplexity AI application. You can install this application from Play Store and App Store. Once you install this application, all you have to do is open it. Now wait for the application to load. Once the application has been loaded, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to sign up for your account. You can see three options over here: continue with Google, continue with email, continue with SSO. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on continue with Google. Now wait for a while. Now you'll have to choose an account to continue. Simply tap on the account that you want to use. Now after you choose an account to continue, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. By continuing, Google will share your name, email address and profile picture with Perplexity. If you're okay with it, simply tap on the option continue that you'll be able to see at the bottom of your screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can subscribe to the plan if you want. You can see the plans over here. You can either pay monthly or yearly. If you want to subscribe, simply tap on the option subscribe that you can see right over here. Right now, I'm just going to skip it. You can see over here, your account has been created. So that's how easy it is to sign up for Perplexity AI account. So that is how you sign up Perplexity AI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.